Press and hold the power key until Bafang sign appears. On the control unit, press the plus key to increase the aid levels and the minus key to decrease them. Pressing the top right button for 3 seconds will turn the lights on and off. To activate the walking assist, press the minus key until the cyclist appears on the display. Then hold down the minus key for the duration of the walking assist function. Use the bottom right eye key to scroll through the menu of useful information about the bike and the ride. To reset the ride information, open the menu by pressing the I key, bottom right, twice quickly. Press the I key to confirm the HMI settings option. In the next menu, select the Trip Reset option. Confirm with the I key. Then select the Yes option and confirm with the I key. A very simple way to remove the battery is to turn the key to the right and press the button on the battery. Press the button on the battery to check its charge. With the supplied charger, the battery can be recharged when removed from the bike or charge it on the bike. Inserting the battery is also very simple, just insert it into the slot provided and press it into the frame. Turn the key in the lock to the right and with the other hand push the pin all the way down so that it engages in the lock and the key is removed. The lock is simply unlocked by turning the key to the right.